All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. I have my cafecito ready. I'm almost done with it. I have been enjoying it today, okay? Let's pull the hair back and let's start with a little bit of skincare. So if you guys follow Shelby or Ina Pool, they talk a lot about affordable makeup, drugstore makeup. Love them for that. They were talking about this new brand. It's not a new brand, but I guess it's a brand that is sold at Walmart. It's called Vitamasques. So they actually came out in collaboration with Nina Pool with some products that are dupes for higher end skincare. So the first one is the Vitamasques Hydrate Milk Glaze Face Mist. This contains 8 hyaluronic complex, 9 peptides, 5 ceramides, panthenol, and I don't know how you pronounce that, but pretty much this is supposed to be a dupe for the Rhodes Milk Glaze spray. They also have the Hydrate Milk Glaze Moisturizer, which is like the little toner. I have the Rhode one and I really like it. And then this is supposed to be a dupe for the Tatcha water cream. They have another one which is a purple packaging. That one is a little more hydrating, but as an oily skin girly, I picked this one up. So let's start by applying the Hydrate Milk Glaze. Honestly, like if you love Rhode and you love their products, this is a dupe. I want to do a little comparison. The Rhode Glazing Ceramide Facial Essence. So very, very similar. The Rhode one is just like a tiny bit bigger. But we're going to do the Vitamasque on this side. And it has, okay, so I'm just going to leave it so you guys can see the difference. And then Rhode. Okay. Literally the same thing. And they both feel exactly the same. I've been using these products for probably over a week now. And I've been using the Rhode ones for a few months. The Rhode one has a slight scent to it. Very, very light. I don't even know what scent it is. It's almost like a no fragrance fragrance. And the Vitamasque has absolutely no scent at all, which is nice for people that are very sensitive or people that just don't like any fragrance in their skincare products. Literally, like, oh my gosh, I cannot tell the difference between these two. So this is definitely going to be a dupe that I will be using forever. And now that the skin is dry, we're going to go right in. Look at how juicy and hydrated my skin looks. Let's go right in with the dupe for the Tatcha water cream. Fun fact, I used to, well, okay, let me take that back. Not love, but I tried the the Tatcha cream a few years ago and it completely broke me out, which thank God, because Tatcha is expensive. So I'm saving a lot of coin by not using Tatcha. Her stuff for some reason broke me out, and I am so glad that this has not broken me out at all, because hello, the hydration, the skin is giving glass, it's giving youthful, it's giving radiance, and I'm here for it. I stepped off camera to just do my eyeshadow really quick, which didn't do anything fancy. Just use my bronzer as I usually do, and then I use a deeper shade of the bronzer I will be using today to create a wing. So let's go in with the foundation. I technically don't have a new foundation to try with y'all, so what should we use? I have been using again recently the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the shade 228, and I forget how gorgeous this looks on the skin. Super pretty, super breathable, lightweight, affordable, like all of the yeses. So we're gonna buff this in. Oh my gosh. I just love how this foundation melts into the skin. So how have you guys been? Oh my gosh. I was gone for another week again. I swear, once I start being consistent, it's like something ends up happening and then it like breaks the cycle of my upload schedule, which sucks because I really do want to stay consistent, especially once the summer ends, I will be working at the church, so I'm volunteering as a teacher's assistant. Well, not volunteering because I will be getting paid, but the church that I currently go to, I applied to be a teacher assistant and I got approved. So I just want to do something else besides YouTube just to keep me busy, especially since Lincoln will be going to school during the fall. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like bittersweet, honestly. And yeah, I just wanted a little something. I don't want to be too busy because I do want to still be home when my kids get home. Like, I love being home when they arrive. I love having a fresh, hot meal for them every single day when they get home. And that is definitely still the goal. So that is the plan. I am going to be working part-time at the church that I attend. And then on the weekends, like, I'm doing little side gigs for as a freelance makeup artist. And I love it. Like, it gives me enough freedom to like still do whatever I want, you know? And that's exactly what I wanted. And who knows? Who knows if this like makeup artistry will ever take me anywhere. Like, I'm just, it's all in God's hands and it's all in his perfect timing. But I've missed you guys. I was so sick last week for an entire week. It was bad. Like, I really wanted to push myself to film, but I don't think you guys would have wanted to hear me talk. I was so congested, so bad. It's very rare that I get sick like that. Like, usually maybe I'll feel bad for 2, 3 days and then I'm fine. No, I was very, very much sick. Like, I just wanted to rot in bed all day, but obviously we're moms, we can't do that. For my bronzer, I have been obsessed with the brand new Morphe bronzers. Y'all remember I told you that I was going to get PR from them? This was the first PR package that I received and I was screaming. So they sent over the entire new collection of their Cheek Thrills bronzer duos as well as new blushes. So I have all of them right here and I have been using them and they're amazing. If you love these little Cheek Thrills, what are these, multi-finish face trios and the blushes, then you're gonna love the bronzers. I am going to use Maui Surf because I love the undertones on this. Comes with a little protective case to keep the cream away from the mirror and then the powder. So very much Patrick Ta. They're so creamy and they blend really, really easily into the skin. So this is the shade again, Maui Surf. It's a little cool. And then Amalfi Coast is going to be a little more warm. Which one do you prefer, this side or this side? I have been going a little extra with my bronzer lately because I feel like my tan is wearing off and I need to be tan because summer just is starting up. So yeah, I need to hold on to this tan as long as I can. For blushes, again, they came out with some new shades. Either they're new shades or they just sent me all their shades because I do have a repeat of Blind Date, which is the one that I own. I think they might have came out with a few shades. This one's a really pretty, like, everyday pink. I've been obsessed with this one. It's called Poolside Spritz. It's a really pretty, like, orange, like a tangerine orange. This one, Cheek Thrills, the Cabana Club, is the perfect summer shade. I'm going to use that today because I have not used this one. And then Honeymoon Sweet, which is more of a mauve, if you will. It's a little more cool tone. I have used this one and I really like it. Today we're going to go in with this one. So let's go in with the cream first. I'm still a little bit stuffy, so hopefully I can edit out all the little sniffles that I have. I still have a lot of like phlegm, I guess, like just dripping to the back of my throat, which sounds absolutely disgusting, but I mean, that's the choice of being sick, you know? Thankfully, my husband or my kids did not pick up on my sickness because That is the worst when you're done getting sick and now everybody else in the house is sick. As a mom, we take care of everybody. So fingers crossed nobody gets sick. But so far, I think we're on the clear. What do you guys think of this blush? It is so pretty. Obviously, I don't want to do too much because they're pigmented and we still have to put the blush on top. But you can build it up as you can see. For concealers, I have two. Let me just tell you that the one that I've been using the most is the brand new NYX Wonder Snatch Concealer. This claims to have an up to 24-hour wear. Haven't worn it for 24 hours, but I do wear it a lot because I love it. It's creamy, it blends really nice into the skin, and it's a full coverage, which is my favorite. I picked up the shade Medium Olive, which is, yeah, Medium Olive. On this side, we have the brand new Essence Silky Blur Hydrating Longwear Concealer, okay? They sent over the entire kit of these, and I may or may not put them in my makeup kit because honestly, these are so good. Only thing I have to say is that the undertones are a little bit off, so I have had a hard time figuring out what shade to use, but I think today let's go with 180, which is this one right here. The color's going to be different from one eye to the other. Yeah, okay, I might have to like fix that because that's going to be a pretty big difference, but the doe foot applicator is actually really nice. It's like a flat little foot applicator. I don't know, but it hugs the eyes and it places the product so nicely. This has buildable coverage. It has a natural matte finish and it claims to be waterproof. I don't know about all that, y'all, but I do love me a good hydrating concealer that has a little bit of a matte finish. This concealer is perfect for my everyday girlies that want a natural finish to the skin. You can even use this as like a little, what do you call it? Like a little spot concealing concealer. As you can see, it blends right in, and even though it's buildable, I feel like the coverage is pretty decent. Unless you're wanting to cover up like really dark circles, then definitely color correct first. And on this side, the NYX, what is this called again? The NYX Wonder. This is from their Wonder line. Not sure if the camera is picking up the difference, but this is a lot creamier. It's a little bit thicker. Obviously, it's more full coverage. So it's going to just like feel a little thicker, but not in a bad way. It's just creamy. And this is way lightweight. But as you can see, this is already like settling into like my fine lines versus this. It's taking a while. So it really depends. If you want something for everyday lightweight that you can build on the coverage, go for this. But if you just like full coverage, like just give me everything, go for the next one. I personally love this one because I just like heavier makeup. But this is perfect for every day, okay? So either way you go, you're gonna love it. So let's move on to, let's see, blush. I forgot to use these, y'all. I had them in my other little like brush kit, but these are also brand new from Morphe. This is the M200 blush brush, and obviously it's been used. So this is the side that I used for the cream, and this is the side that I used for the powder, which is so nice. And the Morphe M240 Sculpt brush. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Do you guys see how it's like, whoop? So it hugs perfectly the cheek. Love it. So let's use a little bit of the blush and the bronzer. So, okay, for blush, I'm going to use two because I have two different blushes that I've been dying to use. This one is from CoverGirl, the True Blend Skin Enhancer Baked Luminous Blush. I cannot find this blush shade anywhere in stores. You'll have to let me know if you have seen it, but I have not seen it in stores, so I had to order it off of Amazon. This is in the shade Strawberry Drizzled, and it is the most beautiful blush ever. I already have one shade, and I immediately knew that I needed this one. So let's go in with the brush. We're gonna do one side with this. Sorry guys, I keep coughing still. Oh my gosh, I just have so much like drainage from my nose that it makes my throat tickle. I don't know if that makes sense. but I've been blowing my nose so much, which ruins my makeup. I'm like, ugh, I can't win. Just kidding. That is like first world problems, Karina. And then I'm gonna go in with the and then Cabana Club from Morphe. This one seems to be a little more tangerine. They are pigmented, but then you do have to like build up on the blush because you don't get a lot of color payoff. The shades are pretty similar, except I feel like this one has a little more orange strawberry to it versus this is more like pink red. Back to my bronzer in the shade Tulum Trip, and I'm going to use the wider side of the brush. Do you guys hear my voice, how it's like cracking again because I keep coughing? I have phlegm and I'm still taking some medicine, but I think at this point it's just like my body trying to get rid of everything, you know. And then I'm going to flip it to this side and we're going to apply right here. I want a little bit of like luminosity, just juiciness to my skin. So I'm going to go in with my NUA PDRN and Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Capsule Mist. This is technically like not like obviously like anything makeup related. It's more of a skincare facial hydrating mist, but my skin was like really dehydrated when I was sick. It was really bad. It's doing a lot better now. So I bought like a bunch of things to like hydrate my skin. And this is one of those things that I've been reaching for on the days that I don't wear makeup. I just like hydrate my skin and it really just brings back that luminosity. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. L'Oreal sent over their new Blurfiller Blurring Lip Contours. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And I've also been using them behind the scenes and I love them. I think for today I'm going to go with this one in the shade Mocha Mousse. I will say that these can be a little bit drying because of the formula, but I still really like them. And then for the center, I'm going to go in with Nude Espresso. They dry down pretty quickly, so they will stay on pretty much all day, and they do give that really pretty blurred look to the lips, which is a very popular trend right now with like lipstick companies, I guess. Okay, let's set the skin before I forget, because sometimes I do forget to set the skin. This has been my go-to product since I bought it, the Morphe Life Proof Continuous Setting Mist. It's different from their other products. This is actually going to lock in your makeup, and it's literally going, it's life proof. I mean, the name says it all. So I've been loving this, and I use it every time I want my makeup to stay on all day. And then, of course, the mist just hits every single time, okay? They don't miss with their mist. All right, guys. So I think that concludes today's video. So this is a full face testing out a brand new drugstore makeup. Oh my gosh, what do we think, y'all? I am obsessed with the concealers. Definitely has to be my favorite thing, but I am a concealer junkie. If you want a long wearing little lippy, definitely try the new what are these? The L'Oreal Blur crayons. Super long wearing. A little dry, but super long wearing. If you're looking for an affordable cream highlight and powder bronzer that's affordable, Morphe is where it's at. And these blushes are just absolutely beautiful. They're creamy, they're rich, they're pigmented, and you get 3 products for the price of 1. Bestie, I've been telling you, drugstore makeup is where it's at. As you can see, my face looks flawless, and then everything here is like absolutely affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Thank you so much for being here and for showing up for me every single time I go MIA. I promise I'm not gonna get sick anymore, okay? I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!